Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you enable your gestures navigation. Guys, you want to enable guys your gesture navigation, so guys you can enable, and once you want to remove this button layout, and guys how can you use guys your gesture navigation. Guys, three setting guys in this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone settings solutions. Then guys click on your system settings. Guys click on system navigation. Then guys you can see your gestures. So guys we will click on this gesture, and guys you can see guys this gesture settings. How can you use it? So guys you can use from guys this right and left side back button, close app button guys you can use like that. And guys you can see guys we don't have this button layouts. So guys you can see guys your phone is gesture mode. Your phone is in gesture modes. So guys you cannot click here to back button and home button. Guys you can back from this right and left side, you can close that like that. So guys you can enable your gesture mode, and guys you can use your gesture mode. And guys how to remove button layout guys, three setting guys I told you in this video. So I hope friends you have understood how to use and how to remove, and guys how to enable gesture navigation. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like my video. Bye.